Hi, so we are here to discuss this question where we have to write a program to print all the leaders in the array, and the given statement in the question is an element is a leader if it's greater than all the elements to its right side, and the rightmost element is always a leader. So let's start with, let's say if we traverse the array from left to right this way. For each element we have to check all the elements to its right every time to see if it's greater than them, and this is, I don't think so, efficient solution because we have to compare each element with every other element to its right. So let's start with index 0 2 3 5. So at index 0 we have 16, and to the rightmost element of the 16 is 17, which is greater than 16. So 16 is not a leader. Now we'll move to 17. 17, and to its right we have 4 3 5 2. So 17 is, they all are lesser than 17, so we have a leader 17. Same way we have to compare each element with all the elements to its right, and let's start with the programming first. We have a function named find leaders with a parameter array, n is equals to array.length, and the max right value is the rightmost element is the max right. So the initial value of the max right is set to the last element of the array, the rightmost element, always a leader. So this starts with, and will print the max right, the rightmost element as given in the question. It's always a leader, so 2 is also a leader. So we'll traverse the array from right to left. So now we will take this approach. We'll start from, so this starts for the loop to iterate through the array from last second element to the first element, from the right to left, from here to here. As this one is already a leader, we'll start from here, I equals to n minus 2, and this checks if the current element is maximum, like greater than from the max right value, and if it is, then the current element is a leader, and we'll print the leader and update the, if the current element is a leader, we'll update the max right to the value of the current element. So let's say we have the rightmost element 2, so 2 is a leader. Now we'll compare the 5. Is 5 greater than 2? Yes. So we'll update the max right to 5. Now we'll compare the 3 is greater than 5? No. 4 is greater than 5? No. Is 17 greater than 5? Yes. So 17, we'll update the max right to 17. Is 16 greater than 17? No. So we have these leaders. So here we are comparing each value with only the max right value, and if it's greater than max right value, we are updating the max right value with the current current element. And for solving this problem, we are only traversing the array only once, so the time complexity for this will be order of n. Thank you.